Have you ever opened your bank app and thought, wait, where did my money go? You didn't buy anything expensive, no vacation, no luxury shopping, but somehow your account keeps shrinking. And the strange part, you can't even remember spending much. Nothing feels serious, nothing feels irresponsible, but little by little, your money keeps disappearing. Here's the scary part. Most people don't lose money from one huge mistake. They lose it from tiny leaks, and tiny leaks can sink a huge ship. Imagine your money is water. You work hard to fill a bucket. Salary comes in, but your bucket has holes, small holes. A coffee here, a food delivery there, a subscription you forgot existed, an impulse purchase, a limited time offer, and because each one feels small, you ignore them. Until one day, you realize you filled the bucket, but somehow it's still empty. That's not bad luck, that's silent spending. Leak number 1, auto subscriptions, streaming apps, premium plans, free trials. Most people forget at least one. Small charge, every month, invisible. Leak number 2, convenient spending, delivery fees. Extra charges, fast purchases. You're not paying for food, you're paying for easy. Leak number 3, micro purchases. Small amounts feel harmless, but 10 small purchases become one big expense. Your brain treats small spending differently. Leak number 4, impulse buying. You weren't planning to buy, but discounts create urgency, and urgency kills logic. Leak number 5, not tracking anything. This one is the biggest, because if money leaves quietly, you never notice. Try this for just 7 days. Every time money leaves, write it down. That's it. Don't judge. Don't stop spending. Just track. Because the moment you see the leaks, you start closing them. Most people don't need more income. They need fewer holes. Money usually doesn't disappear all at once. It disappears one unnoticed decision at a time. So today, find one leak, close it, and keep more of what you already earn. If this opened your eyes, subscribe, because next time, we're talking about the habits designed to keep you broke.